My ice maker is making a terrible grinding noise when dispensing ice. It will stop dispensing then make this grinding sound. I have just replaced the entire auger blade system but still have the issue, seems worse now.
Hello and thank you for using this service. Please be patient as it takes time for me to type, add links and research your issue. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks. What make and model unit is this?
Amana R662BW.
Does the grinding noise stop with the ice bucket out?
No, it does not do anything when the bucket is out. When I try the crush selection, it is like it gets stuck and makes the grinding noise and won't dispense anything. Then I can switch to cubes and it will dispense a few and then make the grinding sound again.
Ah yes, I own the same unit and have been victim of this horrific noise that makes your family panic when pressing the dispenser, as sometimes it is great and other times it sounds like an beast dying in the unit. You need to replace the auger motor on the unit. The motor is weak and failing and the cause of all of this issue. This will allow you to get directly back to me for free follow-up questions anytime, and tips are greatly appreciated. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.